Hi, today is the 25th of December, Christmas Day, and we will look at the Nifty once again. So the last time we posted a update, we were looking for a low to form somewhere around this trend line here, and there was a looking for first the low was supposed to be here, and we thought that this rise was pretty strong, and our wave to low was already in place. However, the selling resumed the second day, and though it took a brief support on this trend line which we were watching very closely, but this broke through, went up and retested and then fell further. Now this trend line break was the line in the sand. Our whole premise of a bullish resolution to this was based on this trend line, and this trend line has given way. So this bullish wave count is very difficult to now reconcile. So we cannot say that this is 1 and 2 or 1 and 2 is going to be here. It is possible, anything is possible, this does not violate any of the rules, and we can see there is still some bullish divergence in the RSI, but then things don't look good. So as soon as this trend line got broken, we squared off all our longs, and yesterday we have made some short positions. So what now? So let us go and look at the daily chart just to see it in the bigger perspective. So this is the daily chart of the Nifty, and the daily chart is again showing a breakdown. So the most important thing which I would say is that if we make a trend line from here, this trend line has also broken yesterday. That's on Friday. So that is a significant moment in the market. We actually give a lot of weightage to long-term trend lines. So this is a long-term trend line right from the June low, and that has broken away. Now let us see what has happened to the weekly trend line. So the weekly trend line right from the 2020 lows, let us see that. That is still some distance away. So that is not a problem. But this is a problem. So as of now, we are out of all our longs. Actually, we squared all of our longs on Friday morning itself. We had started to square off longs on Thursday, and we squared off the remaining longs on Friday morning. And as the market went down, broke the trend line, it became very apparent that the market is now bearish. So we need to find out what is going to happen. The problem which I see in the market is that this whole move from here to here is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And this is a 3-wave move. This is not a 5-wave move. And this is a 3-wave move which is kind of coming after this 3-wave correction. This is a double zigzag, as we said, and this is a simple 3-wave move. So if this is right, which it may not be, I mean the Nifty can turn around anytime and go up, then it is fine and we have a good market. But if this is really a 3-wave move, then we will be in the soup. So that is the state of affairs, folks. That market doesn't look good. It is likely to go down some more. And we have to trade the market that we see. And we have to trade the patterns. And some patterns in some stocks are very bearish. And we have already started to short those stocks. But those patterns are looking very bearish. I will discuss those patterns in the individual stocks one by one as time goes by. But right now, that is the state of the markets, folks. So that is all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye. And have a great last week of the year.